To improve a battery lifetime on a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, look for the battery section. Right here, when we scroll down, there's a few settings that we can change. First one is adaptive battery. To extend battery life, adaptive battery limits battery for infrequently used apps. Your phone will learn how you use apps over time, and notifications may be delayed for those apps. You can activate it, and as it says, this could improve your battery lifetime. Next option is to disable the charge boost. If you disable it, it will also increase your battery overall lifetime. When charge boost is on, your phone will optimize charging by safely boosting charging speed. This process may heat up your device, so this basically overcharges your battery, and I don't recommend to enable that. Next thing is optimized charging, and when activated, optimized charging is recommended if you charge on regular schedule. For example, if you charge your phone during your sleep time, this feature is not recommended if you have an irregular charging schedule. And this feature uses AI to learn your charging patterns, then limits charging up to 80%. About 1 hour before you are expected to unplug, your phone will charge to 100%. You will see battery with something like a health or shield icon in the status bar, and then notification when optimized charging is active. So this feature will increase your overall battery life, but to use that, you will need to adapt to the charging process. So, for example, charge your battery only during a night and on a regular basis. And that is all of the settings that can help you increase battery lifetime. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.